All right, all right, all right. Yeah, so I recently heard that Matthew McConaughey might be considering running for the governor of Texas. And yeah, we will do this entire demo day in fake Texan drawl. Okay, hold on, let me.
I've not consented to this.
You're not
I agree with this plan.
Yeah. Okay, so Logan, give us all the good news from Foundry DAO.
Yeah, well, good news is, I'll try to keep it short because I want to jump into the demo day quick, but on my mind, there's a few things that I'm pretty happy about. The thing on the top of my mind is we've gotten Chris Lemmer, a contact of Skonks, to help us with some marketing. And he's done this several times before, and it's just great to have someone on board who knows what the important things are and how to fix them quickly. So great, there's two examples. One is, if you Google smoke signal, if you Googled it, let's say yesterday or any time before that, it wouldn't really come up. It would show you other things. So he's like, well, that's a problem. Obviously, it's a problem. It's obvious in retrospect once he says it, but he also knows the obvious solution, which is to run what he called a, what did he call a branding ad. It's basically a very simple ad. The only keyword is smoke signal and it links to smoke signal. And you basically just, and it's kind of a costly thing, but it's worth it because now if anyone puts in smoke signal, our ad comes up every time. So obviously a really great solution. And then that will also give that's just a good way to sort of drag our site up to the top of the organic links too, even if we discontinue that ad later. And then just some other tips and tricks. Oh my goodness, tips and tricks with analytics and all that kind of stuff. It's just great to have him on board. He's really accelerating our sort of movement forward in how to kickstart the marketing of smoke signal in particular. So that's great news. We have the analytics tracking Google tags now on the property, and the Google tags themselves, I think, are updated or almost done being updated. So we can see where users go and what they do and build funnels. So you could build a funnel out of, okay, how many users connected to Web3, and then how many users had, some crypto, and then how many users made a post, and you could build a funnel and see where people drop off. So that's going to be a really great tool moving forward. Let's see what else. We have a onboarding. So what we're going to demo today actually is the onboarding UX. So if I meet you at a party and you ask me what I do, I'll probably start talking about smoke signal. And then you might go, now you can Google it and you'll find it. And when you get to smoke signal, you can read through it like Reddit. And then similar to Reddit, if you click on reply or compose, and then it sort of, Reddit kicks you into a sign up thing. Now our app kicks you into a, how do you get ready to post? So, so I'm going to demo that off today. I'm pretty excited about that. There's definitely, I think, still some more work to do in terms of making the onboarding intuitive, and that's going to be one of Chris's first things he's going to work on moving forward. He's going to get some test users, have some Zoom calls and record it and sort of analyze what it is that was difficult. So he's going to have a Zoom call and say, hey, make a post, and then not tell them how and see how they stumble around and what we can make easier. Yeah, so that's everything that's going on, and I'll jump right into the demo day or the demo here.
Yeah, two more things basically. The one other thing that so a very nice person who I don't know the real name, called Ataxia, gave us the idea of doing a yield farm and handing out some DAI. That seems to have really kicked our liquidity up a considerable notch. So we are now at about, I think, $200,000 worth of total liquidity. That cost us about 10,000 DAI, but we have now made that DAI. We made that DAI back within 2 days. So, so I'm super happy about that. I do think we'll probably expand that program a little bit. And then another cool thing, just for the Moon Children, is that we seemingly got listed on CoinMarketCap, which is something I believe you facilitated there. But anyway, welcome to all the new people. It's very cool to have you guys around. And and I also think that the nice thing is all of these demo days and us doing this for a while now seem to be gathering like nice compound yield now. So that's very, very cool.
Yeah, and I can add to that. Not only are we getting new interest, one thing I'm really excited to see is the Telegram community is exhibiting some collective intelligence. So there was a night where you and I were both basically asleep and new people were coming in and asking all sorts of different questions, and the community that was there was able to answer them completely satisfactorily. Like I'd read through it when I woke up and I'd see a question, I'd want to jump in and give a nice refined answer, and then a few messages later somebody already did that for me. So that's really great. The way I put it to Skulk is that the plan for Foundry has been sort of uploaded to the cloud, this cloud being an organic cloud of people, but that's really great. That's a crucial step towards Foundry autonomy. And
just on the quality of those answers, I mean, they're surprisingly good quality answers. There was somebody posted a thread, I think it was some of them in Biz, in 4chan/Biz/, and basically, like, I was reading through that stuff and I was like, I want to join this project. This is cooler than the project. It's almost cooler than the project I'm on. So that was very, very encouraging to actually read, how concisely is the wrong word, but I'm going to use it now, how concisely they got the vision. That was pretty cool. I really enjoyed that.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to jump into the demo unless there's anything else from you. All right. Let's see. Let me make sure I have all my sensitive documents closed. Close the text file that holds my private keys. I don't want you guys to see that.
Again, you don't want to.
Not again. Not again. If I show those off too many times, I'll have to change them. Okay, yes. Share screen, desktop. All right. So I just downloaded Chromium. So this is a fresh browser, and I'm going to be demoing the onboarding. So this is actually the first time I've really given the onboarding UX a whirl.
Okay.
So as a demo, it's a relatively risky one, but that's okay. So I don't have Metamask installed or anything. So, and let's say I'm a new, I heard about smoke signal from this crazy guy at a party, and I like free speech or whatever. So I'm gonna, there we go, smoke signal forum site, okay. All right, so here's what I see. Get rid of that. So if I'm a new user, I suppose what I would do is click around here. Let's see, let's just click on this. And let's say I want to reply to this guy. So this pops up here. Oh, actually, hold on, I'm sorry. Let me do a small deviation. I'm gonna go to the, what is the Netlify URL? Okay, let me stop sharing for a bit, open my regular browser. I'm gonna open the dev branch because that actually has the updates that I want to demo.
So Netlify, by the way, everyone, is where we host the user acceptance testing - development version of Smoke Signal before we push it to US.
Right. Okay, there's the URL. Let me close this and start sharing again. So yeah, this will be live. I sort of think, so let me, oh my God, did I not copy it? My apologies, guys. Hold on just a second. I'm gonna pause the recording. Or no, you can pause the recording if you want, Skulk.
That's okay. That's okay.
Okay.
The whole idea with this stuff is not to have canned demos. So this is how it goes. This is how it goes from there.
Look how organic we are.
Yes.
Okay. There we go. Okay, got it up. I will start sharing now. Okay.
You're transparent to the point of translucency.
That's right. Dangerously transparent. Okay, so yeah, I think if this demo goes well, I'll probably just move it to that the .eth domain, but this is a bit of a test of it as well. Okay, so again, let's say I want to go here and reply. So, and we can make this a bit prettier, but here's what I'd see. To post or interact with Smoke Signal, I need a crypto identity. I could cancel if I want. Install and set up Metamask. So I can click here and download. Yes, I'm on Chrome. Install Metamask for Chrome. It's funny, actually. I think to set this up, I will have to show the private key on this on this setup account. Yeah. Get started. Create wallet. I agree.
Password.
Yeah. Hunter. What is the one? Hunter 21.
Oh
Click to
no!
reveal
Oh
seed
no! Was
words.
that his password?
I don't know. So no one's
Was
stealing my.
undefined.
I'm gonna put like $1 billion on here. So nobody take it, please. Oh, geez, I actually have to. Okay. Nice.
Okay, hold on.
I'll just.
Oh,
if I can do
job
this.
battle virtual. Okay.
Okay, talk about something interesting, Skulk. While people watch me do this tedious stuff.
Okay, well, hold on. There we go. Okay. I want to help you, but I can't. The onboarding of this stuff just remains like a major mess.
It's a
Yeah.
silly video game. Okay.
Yeah. The bad
Okay,
thing is
where's
how
the virtual
bad you
world?
are at this easy video game. I mean, I'm concerned now.
I know. Yeah. It's frustrating, that we're trying to onboard people and MetaMask forces you to do this kind of shit. Like, I would rather them just like, okay, do what you want,
Yeah, but that they
and
sort of
just
like
be
then annoy
and
you
maybe
later
alert
on.
you when you have.
Oh. Well, they did do that for a version. I
Yeah.
think they reverted back now to this basically. Okay, just as I think
Yeah,
of something to
it's-
talk about, but it's
anyway.
okay. Rather finish the demo. Yeah.
Okay, token swapping. Oh my God, see, it's
We
frustrating
don't want to
because
token swap. Yeah.
we don't want to token swap. Fuck you, MetaMask. All right. I mean, thanks for everything you've provided, but also. That is kind of, it does sum up how I feel about MetaMask. Okay.
MetaMask is like a
this
really
is-
annoying dog
okay,
who
this-
saved your life 3 times.
Yeah, that's right. That's exactly what it's like. So, okay. So the demo here is not going great because this should now turn into a checkbox. So let me just see if refreshing might fix this. And reply. Okay, there it's checked now. So connect wallet. I can just click here. That should trigger it. Okay, connect. Very good. Enable xDai support. So I really like how easy this process is.
But by the
This
way,
is,
you
yeah.
Sorry,
this is MetaMask be doing something very nice.
Your video is quite laggy versus what you're saying, by the way. So maybe just take it easy.
Okay.
Give it take like a second between stuff. So you just click. Okay, so did you just click enable xDai support?
I did, and we can make these look more like buttons. But yeah, I clicked that,
Okay.
and then a recent MetaMask update lets you programmatically trigger what just happened. So now, if I go to MetaMask, it's on the xDai chain. Very nice. And get free xDai. I haven't tried this before, so I'm assuming. Okay, my faucet request was successful. That's great, and now I'm at the compose screen. I think it would be a little better if we had a chance to see all the checkboxes completed and then maybe a button to say continue, just to give me that little reward of completing the game here. But there we go. So now I'm onboarded to Smoke Signal. I've never seen it before. I don't know anything about crypto. So that's actually really fucking awesome. I'm gonna go, that was really, oh wait, I don't want to say this to this guy though.
Yeah. That was really awesome. Yeah, people are going to misinterpret it once they figure out what that guy's really talking about.
Onboarded. Onboard testing. Okay, so I'll just burn. Now I'm going to put 0 here because I don't actually have that much. I only got, how much did I get? 0.001. We might actually want to increase that. That might, because I think that will only let me say like something very brief. Let's see what this is like.
Quite a bit at 0.00.
Well, not according to this. That might be a bug though.
Now untick the donate button.
Actually, only add 1%. 1%. No,
That's not
no,
possible.
that's not it.
No. Hold on.
So
That
that's a
check
bug.
doesn't. No. That check wouldn't do it. But that's a new bug though. I can do it. Hold on. I'm just gonna quickly check if I can do it from my side.
Let me try refreshing and see if that fixes. Oh, I'm not connected. Oh, well, that's after a refresh, of course.
What do you mean you're not connected?
No, never mind. I was just being a bit dumb. Okay, let's see if I can even. Okay, so after a refresh, it worked.
Oh, okay. Well, all right. So, well, that's progress. I mean,
Yeah. Well, let me just.
obviously this is not exactly 100% live yet. Then.
Yeah. Yeah. This and yeah, this is a bit of a debug session.
Okay.
There we go. Let's submit that masterpiece. Insufficient funds. Yeah, I do think the faucet should be.
Change it to 1. I think,
Okay.
this will submit with 1. Yeah. Yeah.
We can actually, by the way, do
that.
that programmatically. So maybe after we record this, one of us could just go through and note all these things. But there we go. Okay, there it's posted. So I should be able to click on new here. There it is. Onboarding. It sort of works.
Give it a second.
Sort of,
Give it a
kind of.
second. No,
Cool.
hold on. Your screen hasn't updated. Okay, there we go. Onboarding. It sort of worked. Okay, yeah, there we go. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, dude, like it's majorly cool. Hey, I mean, this thing is getting slick, eh? And I mean, we have multiple networks now where we can actually host this stuff. So it's just getting better and better. Really.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Well,
Yeah, I think I'm going to sort of guess by Monday or Tuesday we'll have these issues sorted out on that, and we'll push it to the master branch and update the .eth domain. And yeah, I don't have anything else to talk about. Just happy where things are going. Very excited.
Okay.
Anything from your side?
Yeah, I promised last week that I'll start doing video updates, which I haven't started doing for that yet. I'll start doing those now. I've started looking for somebody who has experience in F# quality assurance. There's a very cool tool called FS Check, which hopefully we can use to actually like generate an absolute crap load of possible scenarios for the thing to break under. Yeah, and then if you guys know anyone who does functional programming or really likes it, I think our team is really at the intersection of functional programming and Ethereum development. I think we've got a lot of very cool stuff going. Anyway, yeah, that's basically all I really have for now. I'll post this video, by the way, if you go note the things that you just noted. Okay, sweet.
Cool. Although you have the copy, but yeah, we'll figure it out. Okay.
How do you mean? I have a copy.
Bye, YouTube.
All right. Bye, YouTube.